Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop, where I'm going to use this cut file called Witch Please. And so I am doing only 2 layouts total for the month of October for Halloween. And this is one of them, and then towards the end of the month, actually on Halloween, on my channel you will see another Halloween layout because that's for a design team too, for one of my other companies that you guys all see me follow on here. Actually, I'll be using it on this. It'll be kind of funny because the cut file I am going to be using on that layout, as well as here, is from Confessions, and then the mixed media that I'm going to be using is from Shimmer's Paints. So they both are going to be that way, I think. I may have to change it up, but I know for sure that all my mixed media is definitely from Shimmer's Paints, because you all know that that's all I use pretty much. So I took the collection from Pebbles, and I think it's like 2 years old, I think, and I backed everything and just got all of this ready off camera because I knew that with the mixed media and everything else that I was planning on doing, it was going to take a while. But so I decided to take one of my black cardstocks from Close to My Heart and use that as my background and kind of sit that one paper off to the side. I thought that that worked out perfect that way. And I kind of did Halloween as go big or go home. Because let me tell you, these are literally, I couldn't stop. Like it didn't become busy, but it became busy. I scrapbook a year behind, and what I mean by that is I'm all caught up on Kaylin's scrapbooks except for the second year of her schooling. So, and then with COVID hitting, I've been scrapbooking things that was done during COVID in my COVID book. Like I took the first from March until July when I had to start going back to work. I considered that quarantine time, because then I started working out of the home. So then I kind of like, well, we're back to semi-normal and everything. So that period of time is not going to be in her book. It's going to be in my quarantine book. And then for her, all of her second grade stuff, that's all going to go as see fit. And that's what I do for her. Ultimately, I only have the set of pictures that she wore, and then she had a friend that we met while we were over in Germany. They're stationed here, and they came trick-or-treating. So I picked those photos out for one set, and then this set of photos for this layout, and then that's it. It's just a double-page spread. That's it. That's it. So and call it pretty much a day. So here I am, I'm going in with all of the shimmers, all of the different types of colors that I have. I grabbed some oranges, I grabbed some blues, I grabbed some greens, I grabbed all of that, and I just sprayed, like mixed and bobbed and sprayed a bunch of mumbo jumbo junk all the way through this. I just wanted it tons and tons of different layouts and call it a day. So there's the green. I think the green is Elf. I'll be honest with y'all, I forgot to leave them out, but I know that this one is the No Yoking. The green is the Elfin Christmas. The blue is, I can't remember what the blue is. And the orange is the Peeled Orange, I think is called for them. So I'm just going through and then adding everything and putting this down. Now, make sure that you go check out the Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop, because she has tons of other Halloween that she just released on the 15th. Now, I do know that this is going up on the 23rd. 23rd? Yeah, the 23rd. So they've been out for a minute, but go check them out in her shop and on the group, because in the group she has pictures of what she released. Now, my daughter in this photos, she is always a grungy type Halloween person. She absolutely, positively 100% loves the horror, the scarier the better for her. She is just, Halloween, I'm not sure which one, actually, I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not even sure which one is her favorite out of Halloween or Christmas. Those are the two. Like, she's very, like, both of them, hands down, either one of them. It's crazy, crazy for her. So I'm, just going through everything and trying to make sure that they've got a little bit of something on there around the photo, and then placing them behind the witch. And she's like a pirate, if I remember correctly, like a pirate witch type thing. She was like, I'm a witch, but I'm a pirate. And this year, oh my, wait till you guys see. If you follow me on social media, you guys will see what's on there as well. But yeah, so here I am. I'm now going into the embellishments. And let me tell you, my brain is so batty. Oh, school has got me insane. Like, I can't even think straight right now. And I think it's because we're going into the first quarter, the ending of it. And I remember this time last year too, like not like at this time, but the first 9 weeks, that last time there, I was like, my brain is just like hurting. And I think it's because we had to do so much in that first 9 weeks just to try to get everything situated. And then this year, let's throw in COVID at the same time. I'm just like, my brain hurts just thinking. And so in the next couple of layouts, if I want to say it like in retrospect, the voiceovers are probably going to be like, Miranda, what are you on? And I'm going to be like, yep, it's called the teacher brain, because I can't even think straight. Like, I feel like I've done this voiceover 7 times because I keep stuttering through my stuff, and that's normally not me. But I got to get through this. I got to get through this. For this. So hopefully you can bear with me until I can get past the first 9 weeks. And my first 9 weeks actually ends not this coming Monday, but the following Monday. I think it's like the 26th or something like that. I think is, or 23rd maybe. I don't know. One of the days. I know it's not this coming Monday, it's the following Monday and whatnot. I think it's like the 23rd, to be honest. 24th. Or no, the 26th. 26th. That's when our ending starts. That's what it is. I remember now. So I added some of these ghosts, and I kept going. I kept going, and I kept going. And finally, I was like, oh, I may need to stop. But I'm like, you know what? It needs to go home. Go big or go home. That's what I kept thinking to myself. So I'm just adding all of these little bits and bobs. I do actually come in with sequins from Close to My Heart. I do distress these ghosts up so that they're more distressy looky. That's not even a word. Like, look. Kind of make them look like they're almost downright dirty because of, the whole witchy vibe feeling that I've got going on with this particular layout. So that's what I'm doing here. And let me tell you, I'm just like, I love how this layout turns out. It's just perfect. It's absolutely perfect for this particular layout. It's Halloween is just fun. Halloween, you can do anything and everything and it'll be okay because you can just blame it on Halloween. It's just Halloween. So I'm just adding these little bits and bobs. Make sure that you go check out the Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop along with the group. Everything will be linked down below. Obviously, this cut file that I'm using is called The Witch Please. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you. I would definitely love to have you. It would be fun to have you comment and like and subscribe. All of that jazz. And I hope that you guys are staying safe, obviously. We're going to be in, like I said, we're going into the 9th week this coming up. And it's crazy to think that I've been almost in 9 weeks of school. And everything is going pretty good. I started the very first day I started with 6. That day I ended with 7, and we stayed at that age or that set for quite a while, and then just in the last few weeks I am now up to 14 students, so it's getting a little crowded. Trying to keep everything clean and disinfected. It's very, very, very tough, but I'm doing it. Some days I come home and I'm just tired, but that it is what it is. Anyway, so yeah, I hope that I'm rounding out with the splatters. I hope that you're all staying safe. I'm going to leave you with that and this crazy voiceover that I've done now for the 7th time. Sorry for it. Like I said, my brain is just crazy pazy. Still shots are coming up. I hope that you like and subscribe. Stay safe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.